In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make lo-fi music in Suno AI. We'll start simple and move smoothly through each step so you can follow along without getting stuck. First, open your browser and head to Google. Before we generate anything in Suno, we want a strong style prompt that clearly guides the sound. To create that, we'll use ChatGPT. In Google, type ChatGPT and open the official website. In the chat box, ask for a Suno AI style prompt specifically for lo-fi music. Be sure to include details like musical mode, BPM, key instruments, overall vibe, and vocal style. For example, you can request a chill BPM range, instruments like dusty piano, warm bass, soft drums, maybe some vinyl crackle, and a mellow, relaxed vocal approach. Submit your request and wait for the response. When the prompt is generated, highlight it and copy it. Now head over to Suno's website. On the homepage, select Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. If you're on a keyboard, use Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. This gives Suno the exact creative direction you're aiming for, which helps get closer to that cozy, nostalgic lo-fi aesthetic. Next, we'll make original lyrics. Switch back to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics for a lo-fi song. Specify the subject, for example, falling in love unexpectedly, and remind it to match the genre. Submit and give it a moment to generate. If the first try isn't quite your vibe, you can change the subject or tone and request a revision. Keep lyrics concise, with short lines and clear punctuation. This often helps with phrasing in AI vocals. Once you're happy, highlight all the lyrics and copy them. Return to Suno, find the lyrics section, and paste them in. Make sure everything fits. If it feels too long, trim a few lines or simplify repeated phrases to keep the performance natural. Now you're ready to create. Click Create and let Suno process your track. This may take a bit, so be patient. When it's done, listen closely. If the mood or tempo isn't quite right, adjust your style prompt. Try a slightly slower BPM or swap instruments, and generate again. If the vocal delivery feels off, tweak the vocal style in your prompt, like soft, intimate, breathy, and rerun it. Small refinements go a long way in lo-fi. That's it. Your lo-fi song is ready. Enjoy the vibe, and feel free to iterate until it sounds exactly like the cozy soundtrack you had in mind.